Hello, my dear students of class 5. Welcome to maths class once again. As in my previous online class, I have taught you exercise 5.3 few questions. Okay, and today I'm going to start from question number 5 as I have taught you till question number 4. So today I'll complete this exercise. Okay, so what is question number 5? Let us start. Find the smallest 3-digit number that is exactly divisible by 4 and as well as 6. So here we have to find the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, we know 3-digit number is what? Okay, smallest 3-digit number, but that is not the answer. You have to find the smallest 3-digit number which will be exactly divisible by this 4 and 6. When we will divide by this 4 and 6, it will get divided without any remainder. So let us do it. It is very easy. So first of all, in this type of question, what you need to do is that you have to write smallest 3-digit number. So what is the smallest 3-digit number? What we will do, we'll write 1 including 2 0. It becomes smallest 3-digit number. 1 2 3. Okay, 3 digit is there, it becomes the smallest 3-digit number. This is not the answer. First what you have to write, smallest 3-digit number, and what we will do is now is that we will find the LCM of this 4 and 6. Okay, we will find the LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, so it is very easy to find the LCM of 4 and 6. Both of them will come in the 2 table. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Now both are prime numbers. So 2 will come in its own table, 3 will not come, right? 3 will come in its own table, 3 1 ja 3. Now what is the LCM? LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So what is the LCM? 12. But this is not the answer. Now what we will do? What we have written is smallest 3-digit number 100. Okay. Now we will divide. Divide this 100 by what? By 12. Okay. We will divide this. So in 12 table 100 doesn't come. So less than 100 what comes? So we know that 12 8 ja 96. Okay, 12 8 ja 96. From 0 we cannot subtract 6, so it will take borrowing, it will become 10, it will become 9, it will become 0. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, put cross, this also put cross. So what is the remainder? This is the remainder, this is the question. Now what is the answer we will do? We have done the 2-step LCM. First you will write the smallest digit, whatever they will give, 3-digit, 4-digit, you will write that, then LCM. Then you will divide that digit, okay, by the LCM. Okay, now the required number. Okay, thus the required number is, so how to find this required number? What you will do? 100. Okay, you will take 100 minus, what is the remainder? 4. You will minus this. Okay, and what you will do? You will add this divisor, or you can say the LCM also we have got this. So you will add this. So 100 minus 4 is how much? Is 96 plus 12. So how much we will get? 108. So this is the answer. This is the answer, required number. This is the answer. Okay, this is the required smallest 3-digit number. Okay, we'll write here for smallest, required smallest 3-digit number. Okay, so I hope you have understood about this. Okay, so now let us do the next question. Now what is question number 6? What is the greatest 4-digit number that is exactly divisible by 45 as well as 30? So here greatest 4-digit we will write, same process we will do. Okay, here also we will find the LCM, but here greatest 4-digit is given, we will write the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, and the process is same. Okay, but in this case we have added the LCM, in this case we will not add the LCM, we will just subtract the remainder. Okay, so let us start. So first what we will do, we will write the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. So what is the greatest 4-digit number? Is You know that you will write 9 4 times, 1 2 3 4. So this is the greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999. Now what we will do, we will find the LCM of 45 and 30. So 45 30. 45 will not come in two table, but 30 will come. So we can write here 2 15 ja 30. Now both will not come in two table, they will come in three table. 3 1 ja 3, 1 given to it becomes 15, so 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15. Again in 3 table it will come 3 5 ja 15, this will not come, leave it. Both will come in 5 table, 5 1 ja 5 1 ja. Now we will find the LCM. So what is the LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 into 5. So 18 into 5 is how much? It is 90. Okay, so this is the LCM. Now next what you have to do is that we have to divide. Okay, we'll write here divide 9999 by 90. We'll divide here. Okay, so 91 ja 90. Okay, 9, bring this 9 down because this is 0. Again 91 ja 90, 9, bring this 9 down. Okay, 91 ja 90. So again 9 minus 0 is what? 9. Okay, so I have written here. Now what we have to do is the next step. This one will be 0, so we'll put the cross. Now next step is what? Now what we will do, we got the remainder as 9. Now what we will do, required. Okay, thus required. Okay, required greatest. No, in this time they have asked for the greatest. How many digit was given here? 4 digit. No, so thus the required greatest 4 digit number is what you have to do. First what we will do is, what is the greatest 4 digit number is 9999. Okay, here just we have to subtract this 9. Okay, so we have to subtract this 9, so how much we will get? 9990. So this is the answer. Okay, so greater, this is 9990 will be, when it will be divided by this 45 and 30. Okay, by 45 and 30 it will exactly be divisible. Okay, when this 9990 will be divided by this two, 45 and 30, it will be exactly divisible without leaving any remainder. In greatest one you have to find the LCM and just subtract the remainder. Okay, but in the smallest one you have to even add the what? LCM. Okay, now let us do the next question. Now what is question number 8? The LCM and SCF of two numbers are 180 and 6 respectively. What is the product of the two numbers? If one of the numbers is 30, what is the other number? Now in this question what you have to do is that, see here, you have to learn one formula, that is SCF into LCM is equals to product of the two numbers. Okay, so here they have asked one number into other number, so we can break this formula also. Equals to one number into other number. Okay, they are asking us two things. One is the product of the two number and one they are asking the other number. So to find the product of the two number, what do we need? We need the other number also. They have given us one number, we need other number also. So for that we need to find the other number. So how to find other number? Other number is equals to SCF into LCM by one number. Okay, so what is SCF? It is given here. LCM means the first one is 180 is the LCM and SCF is what? 6. So SCF is 6 and LCM is 180. And what is the one number? One number is 30. So we'll divide it by 30. Okay. Now what we will do, we will multiply this. Okay, SCF into LCM. 6 zeros are 0, 6 8 are 48, 4 6 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. That is 1080 divided by 30. Now we will divide this by 30. 33 ja, how much? 33 ja 98. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring this 0 down. Okay, now 30, how much ja? 36 ja 180. So how much we got? 36 is the other number. Okay, but we need to also find the product of the number. They have asked us two questions. So how to find product of the two numbers is equals to one number into other number. Okay, so what is the one number? 30, which is already given the question, and another number we have found, that is 36. Now let us multiply this by simply. Okay, 3 6 are 18, 1 3 3 are 9 plus 1 is 10, and add this 0 here. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the product of the two numbers. So there are two answers. Okay, this is one answer and this is the other answer. Okay, now let us see the next question. Now, what is question number 9? Question number 9 is the SCF of two numbers whose product is 180. Now, see, SCF of two number. Okay, after multiplying the two number, what is the answer? 180. And SCF is 3. Okay, this is SCF, not this. Okay, this is SCF and this is the product of the two number. What is the LCM of the two numbers? We have to find the LCM this time. Okay, they have given the product of the two number. They have given us SCF, we will find the LCM. Okay. Okay, now in this case, what you have to do is that they have given us SCF, you will write first. Okay, SCF is what? Is 3. Okay, product of the two number are what? It is 180. Okay, now what we will do is that we have to find the LCM. Okay, how to find question mark. Now you know the formula. SCF into LCM is equals to one number into other number. Okay, so this time they have given us the product. They have multiplied one number into other number and they have given us the product. So here we can write directly product of the two number. Okay, the two numbers. So when they will give you the product of the two numbers, so you can write here directly the product of the two number. If they will give you one number, other number, then you will use that formula, one number into other number. So SCF they have given us this. They are asking LCM. So how to find LCM? So to find LCM, what you will do, you will learn this formula. Okay, product of the two numbers divided by SCF. So what is the product of the two numbers? Is 180, and what is the SCF? Is 3. So we will divide this 180 and 3. 3 6 are 18. Bring this 0 down. 0s are 0. Okay, so what is the answer? Is 60. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the LCM. Okay, so with this we have completed this exercise 5.3. We have completed exercise 5.3. In my next class I will do few questions from the revision exercise and then we will complete this chapter. Okay, then we will move to the new chapter, chapter number 6. Okay, so for today up to this much, I hope you have understood. As these are the new questions, it will take time for you to understand. So see the video again and again, and if you have any doubt, you can contact me, okay, directly. So whatever I have taught you, you will do in your copy as a classwork, and few question, I think only one question will be there today for your homework. That is question number 7, which I have not done. Okay, and it is very easy. You will write the multiples, means you will write the table of this 3 and you will find the first 3 common multiple, okay, which is same in all these 3. Okay, first 3 one. Understood? So for today up to this was. Thank you.